How to fix lock cannot be edited on Canva. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. If you're facing such issue, firstly, open up your Canva application in your device. Then navigate to your creation in which you are facing this problem. So right here in this video, I've added this element right here. Now as you can see, currently the element is locked, which means I won't be able to move this element or position it or align it in the places I want to. So what you can do in this case is that it is pretty simple. Firstly, select on the element that you see is locked. Then right at the lock option, you can click on it to unlock it. After which, you will see the icon of unlocked option. Then if you try to move the element, you will see that it is moving quite effortlessly. Now to lock it again, what you can do is simply align it in the position you wish to. Then just tap on this icon right here. And again, the element is locked. So this is how you can fix the issue of lock cannot be edited. Make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.